My Rinni unflued gas heater smells of carbon or of kerosene. The problem happens intermittently and we have not been using paints or solvents. AGL has been to service the heater and cleaned it out. They said that there was not much dirt to clean out. Can you help?
It is likely that the cleaning is not enough to solve the problem. Since natural gas doesn't have an odor, there is an additive called mercaptan, so that if there is a leak there will be a smell. If all the odorant is not burned, there would be a kerosene type smell. I would suggest having a professional adjust the settings to be sure that all the fuel is being combusted, and also a carbon monoxide detector added to the home is always a good idea when there is any fuel combustion appliances in the home. Please know that any comments or questions you may have can be posted here even after you accept my answer, and I will always respond. Thank you so much for using JustAnswer. Mike.
Thanks for this. What I don't understand is that the problem is intermittent. Surely if the settings are faulty it would be constant. What do you think? Robin?
It very well may be intermittent because of the amount of usage or flow of air around the unit. Also, gas pressure and volume is intermittent as far as community usage. When more people are using gas service and water service, the overall pressure on both is lower, and those may be the times all the fuel isn't being burned.
Thank you. XXXXXXXXXX recommend anybody to fix this. I was disappointed with AGL. Robin?
The best thing to do would be contact Rinni Australia at NNN. They would have recommended technicians. Cheers. Mike.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.